So in this particular subtask of the rock paper scissors project, we're going to be looking at how we can generate random choices from the given list of options, that is for the computer. So the objectives are to update the random choice and the get computer choice function. So we already saw how the rand function and how a random number generator works in C. That is how we can set the random number seed and the random number generator. So let's look at how we're going to use this in this project. So coming to the random choice function, we're going to take random number as an input, which we will be generating over here. That is, we are basically going to take the random index generated as input for this function. And if the random index generated is 0, then we're going to return rock. And if it's 1, we're going to return paper, else we're going to return scissors. So instead of writing an array out of which we can choose, as we saw previously, we are simply directly going to return it based on the random index. That is, if it's 0, we're just going to return rock. If it's 1, we're going to return paper, else we're going to return scissors. So we are just avoiding creating an array over here. Now in the get computer choice function, first we're going to generate a random number between 0 and 2 using int random rand modulus 3. I've explained this in the previous subtask. We have given 3 because that is the total number of options which we have, and we want our range of random number to be within this 3. And after that, we're going to return whatever output we get from here to the main function. Coming to the main function, first we are initializing the random number generator with the current time as the seed so that it changes every second. And after that, we're going to print out let's play rock paper scissors, this game is best of 3, and we're going to initialize the round count to 0. And I've explained this in the previous subtask. We have changed the else condition which we wrote over here at last. So basically we are going to call the get computer choice function, and after that we're going to print out whatever choice the user chose, and then we're going to print out whatever choice the computer chose. And after that we're going to increment the round count by 1, and then we're going to break out of the else condition. Let's just run this code once. So let me give choice as rock. So you can see computer has chosen paper first. Let me give rock again. So computer has chosen rock this time. Therefore, the choice given by the computer is random. Let's just submit this code once. So we passed both the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.